Fortmatic Magic Wallet App. The pros, the cons. Most people get Ruby wallets wrong. They think you need to manage complex seed phrases or install browser extensions. But the Fortmatic Magic Wallet app changes all of that. It's designed to make blockchain as easy as logging into an email account. But does simplicity come at a cost? Let's find out. Starting with the pros. Fortmatic, now known as Magic, is one of the most user-friendly crypto wallets ever created. Instead of asking you to store private keys manually, it lets you log in using your email or phone number. Your wallet is instantly created and secured through end-to-end encryption. It's designed for mainstream adoption. No more seed phrases, no more technical headaches. Developers love Fortmatic because it easily integrates into decentralized apps. That means when you use platforms like OpenSea or Uniswap, you can log in with Magic instead of installing MetaMask. This drastically improves accessibility for new users who might be intimidated by traditional wallets. On the security side, Magic uses non-custodial encryption. You own your keys, but they're protected by a secure cloud system that separates your data from the platform. It's a hybrid approach, convenient yet still decentralized. However, there are some cons. While the app prioritizes simplicity, purists in the crypto community argue it sacrifices a bit of control. Because it relies on third-party infrastructure, it's not as self-sovereign as fully offline wallets like Ledger or Trezor. Another limitation is that Magic doesn't yet support every blockchain. It works mainly with Ethereum and compatible networks, so you won't find Bitcoin or niche chains here. Still, for newcomers entering the Web space, Fortmatic Magic is a game changer. It removes barriers, simplifies onboarding, and gives anyone, even non-tech users, a way to experience crypto safely. In conclusion, if you want a secure and effortless way to explore decentralized apps without the stress of private key management, the Fortmatic Magic Wallet app is a smart choice. Just remember, ease of use and full control don't always come together, so choose based on what matters most to you.